क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैंने आपको सही समझा. I get you correctly. I get you correctly. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. अब मुझे नींद आ रही है. Now I am feeling sleepy. Now I am feeling sleepy. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. मुझे नहाने दो. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. मैं इसे प्यार करता हूँ. I love it. I love it. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. मैं इसे अस्वीकार करता हूँ. I reject it. I reject it. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. कृपया बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. Please sit down. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं Have a seat please. Have a seat please. आपके बाद. After you. After you. जाने दो. Leave it. Leave it. पहले आप. You first. You first. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Follow me. उसके पीछे जाओ. Follow him. Follow him. रहने भी दो. Let it be. Let it be. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? मेरे साथ पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. संपर्क में रहना. Stay in touch. Stay in touch. ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. उसे विदा करो. Send him off. Send him off. चुप रहो. Shut up. Shut up. विश्वास करो या फिर मुझ पर विश्वास करो. Believe me. Believe me. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. I cannot understand. I cannot understand. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. ये बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. कोई जानकारी नहीं है. There is no information. There is no information. क्या बेवकूफ़ी है. What nonsense. What nonsense. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. ये देखिए क्या हो रहा है. See what's happening. See what's happening. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. वो दयालु है. He is kind. He is kind. वो ईमानदार है. He is honest. He is honest. वो कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? शांति बनाए रखें. Keep the peace. Keep the peace. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like it. I like it. ये मुश्किल लगता है. This seems difficult. This seems difficult. मैं डरा हुआ हूँ. I am scared. I am scared. यह तुम्हारा है. This is yours. This is yours. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you nuts? Are you nuts? खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. क्या वो वहाँ है? Is she there? Is she there? इसे सही करें. Get it right. Get it right. मैं तुमसे नफरत करता हूँ. I hate you. I hate you. भोजन परोसो. Serve the food. Serve the food. चुप रहो. Shut up. Shut up. मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ. I am not ready. I am not ready. अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? क्या देखें? What to see? What to see? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? हम वहीं जा रहे हैं. We are going there. We are going there. मुझे दोनों पसंद है. I like both. I like both. मैं आऊँगा. I will come. I will come. वो हिल नहीं सकता. He cannot move. He cannot move. मैं नहीं खा सकता. I can't eat. I can't eat. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him inside. Bring him inside. कोई नहीं आया. Nobody come. Nobody come. वो कहाँ है? Where is he? Where is he? हमारे साथ रहें. Stay with us. Stay with us. मैं समझता हूँ. I understand. I understand. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. सावधान रहें. Be careful. Be careful. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मैं बस आ रहा हूँ. I'm just coming. I'm just coming. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. You did very well. You did very well. जैसा आपको पसंद आए. As you like it. As you like it. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. हर तरह से. From everywhere. From everywhere. उसकी तरफ देखो. Look at him. Look at him. इधर देखो. Look here. Look here. जाकर वहां खड़े हो जाओ. Go and stand there. Go and stand there. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. इसके बाद. After this. After this. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ. I look like this. I look like this. मैं ऐसा करता हूँ. I do this. I do this. इस तरीके से. With this way. With this way. आपको करना चाहिए. You should do it. You should do it. आपको जाना चाहिए. You should go. You should go. मेरी राय में. In my opinion. In my opinion. मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. I know you very well. I know you very well. मैं जानता हूँ. I know. I know. मुझे नाराज मत करो. मतलब मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मुझे समझो. Consider myself. Consider myself. मुझ पर एहसान मत करो. Don't do me a favor. Don't do me a favor. मैं इसे देखता हूँ. I see it. I see it. जहां तक मैं देख सकता हूँ. As far as I can see. As far as I can see. जहां तक मेरा संबंध है, as far as I am concerned, as far as I am concerned, इसीलिए मेरे नजरिए से, so from my perspective, so from my perspective, मैं निश्चित नहीं हूं, I am not sure, I am not sure, इस पर मेरी मिली जुली राय है, I have mixed opinions on this, I have mixed opinion on this, मैं व्यस्त हूं, I am busy, I am busy, तो क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? So are you busy? So are you busy? क्या आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं? Can you call me? Can you call me? मैं बाहर जाऊंगा. I will go out. I will go out. मुझे बाहर जाने दो. Let me out. Let me out. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठता हूँ. I wake up at 5 in the morning. I wake up at 5 in the morning. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं. I have 2 children. I have 2 children. मुझे टीवी देखना बहुत पसंद है. I like watching TV very much. I like watching TV very much. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो. You can call me. You can call me. मैं तुम्हारे घर पर आऊंगा. I will come to your house. I will come to your house. चलो बाहर चलो. Let's go out. Let's go out. उसके लिए इंतजार करो. Wait for him. Wait for him. मेरा इंतजार करना. Wait for me. Wait for me. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. मुझे जाने की जरूरत है. I need to go. I need to go. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत बोल सकता हूँ. Yes, I can speak a little. Yes, I can speak a little. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. तुम्हारी क्या इच्छा है? What do you want? What do you want? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. As you like. As you like. तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go out. I want to go out. तुम क्या खाओगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? नहीं, मैं अभी खाना खाकर आया हूँ. No, I have just finished eating. No, I have just finished eating. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. थैंक यू सो मच। क्या तुम पागल हो? आर यू नट्स? आर यू नट्स? इसे ऐसे नहीं करते। डोंट डू इट दैट वे। डोंट डू इट दैट वे। इसे इस तरीके से करो। डू इट दिस वे। डू इट दिस वे। आपने सही कहा। यू सेड इट राइट। यू सेड इट राइट। मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए। आई शुड टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ। आई शुड टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ। तुम कल क्या कर रहे थे? वट वर यू डूइंग yesterday? वट वर यू डूइंग yesterday? मैंने तुम्हें पार्क में देखा था। I saw you in the park. I saw you in the park. बस मैं टहलने के लिए गया था। I just went for a walk. I just went for a walk. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर। बाय बाय। कीप लर्निंग।